We have got stuff.
Stuff. It's lots of stuff.
So, hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
We have received a couple of packages from IntoResin.
We have.
So this is the standard sort of package that they send us. And I'm just going to have a quick look and see what we've got, because it was a while ago that we ordered it and I can't actually remember. I'm very sorry about the rustling. But, oh, I think that's a puppy, isn't it? That's a diamond cut puppy.
It looks dog.
Looks dog-like.
Yeah.
Right. That'll be an interesting make. So we've got that one.
Yep.
Then we have got their diamond cut frog, which is fortuitous because I've just made a load of frogs.
Well, it's not fortuitous then, is it?
I'm in a bit of a frog mode. And this, I believe, if I can get into it. Oh, crikey, that looks insanely solid at the bottom, doesn't it?
It's
a real solid mould.
It's not going to move anywhere.
Look at that. Look at the shine in there. That I am very looking forward to making. That is going to be stunning. So we've got a dog and a frog.
Dog and a frog.
Dog and a frog.
Hub.
It does actually, doesn't it? A little bit. Then they also sent us
a mystery surprise, a 5-piece bigger handmade surprise.
Yeah.
Mould. And
we have no idea what's in this.
Nope.
So
I did say to them, if you've got any mystery, surprise box or something, we'd like a challenge.
Empty it all out.
Oh wow!
Get rid of that rummaging.
Going to remove this packaging.
So, this looks. Oh, I don't know what that is.
Didn't it say bigger?
Crikey, what is that? That looks like a tiny little butterfly. Don't know if you can see that.
That's going to be
a fun one to make.
That's going to be interesting.
Yeah, right. And then this, gosh, look at this one. So again, a bit of rummaging, I'm sorry.
Shall I undo this one while you're doing that?
We'll see if we can cut the rummaging out.
I will do my best. Or we could keep it in as like ASMR.
I don't think it's ASMR if you're talking over it.
So what we got there?
This looks like a pot.
Oh, okay. Is it a...
It is, yeah, with a pattern on the side.
That looks like grapes.
It does. Ooh. So you've got like a sunflower top. That looks like a sunflower.
That does look like a sunflower.
And then on the side, you've got, that looks like a bow.
I thought it was a bunch of grapes.
Let's have a look. That looks like...
Is that a candle holder?
I don't know.
That dip in the middle looks like a...
I don't know. I presume that goes on the top.
I think that's looking there. I'm sure it looks a little bit like grapes on a vine.
It does look like grapes on a vine. Well, I shall very much look forward to making that one.
Right, I've managed to demould this one.
It's really nice. Really good quality as well. It's got my hair stuck to it now as well. Really nice. I love this though. This is very pretty.
That looks really nice. That would look nice on its own.
That's what I was just thinking. That I'm looking forward to making. That's going to be stunning.
Okay. Right. Do you want to have a look at this one? I've
Yeah.
managed to. So this one looks like a candle holder.
Oh.
But if you look at the bottom, it's not center.
Oh, yeah. It's not, is it?
But if that's a candle holder, you can't really do that in resin, can you?
No, it could just be a little pot for holding pens and things.
A pen.
I like that. That's really pretty. That's a really nice pattern on it. I think it's not center from the bottom.
Yeah.
But I think there it is because you've got fatter walls here.
Well, we'll just have to make it up and see.
But that's really pretty. I like that. I look forward to making that one.
Yeah.
And then this one is a little heart. I'm not going to open it because it's a little heart with a paw print in.
Oh, cool.
That's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Can I have a look?
Yeah. While you're having a look at that, I will take a look at this one.
That looks like a key ring.
A key ring or something. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at this one. That is stunning. Look at that.
That's nice.
I can think of so many ways I could use this. It's gorgeous. Really sparkly. So let me line them all up. So we've got a pot, a bow, a pot with a lid, a little teeny tiny butterfly, which you could actually put on there. And then we've got a diamond cut frog and a diamond cut dog. So what do we make first? What would you like to make?
I'm
going to make the dog.
You're going for the dog?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do the frog.
Okay, you do the frog. And then what do you want out of these? Bagsy the bow.
Okay. In that case.
Or do you want the bow?
No, you can have the bow.
Okay, you're going to do the pot.
No.
No?
I'll do the little fiddly ones.
Okay.
And you can do
these two.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Right, we'll get some resin mixed up and we'll be back.
Yeah.
And here I am, voiceover Nikki.
And voiceover Kirk.
I know, but I thought I'd identify myself in case they were confused between my voice and your voice.
Because you sound so manly. Or I sound like you?
Anyway, I'm going to not touch in that. So I mixed up some craft resin and I thought the first thing I was going to do was just make the little puppy one in a nice clear. And while I'm squidging the life out of it.
Yeah, while you're squidging your bear. Just a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us. You are all legends.
Indeed.
And you get an extra special thank you very much.
Well, that was a bit feeble, wasn't it?
Sorry. Thank you very much.
That's a bit more like it. If you're going to do creepy, you've got to commit.
It's not creepy.
Yeah, of course. Anyway.
Seductive and alluring.
Anyway, so I've made the puppy. Stop it.
I've made the puppy.
I've made the puppy. And this is part of the mystery box molds that we received.
Yeah.
And all I know is that it's a patterned jar of some sort. So I'm quite intrigued as to what this is going to come out like.
Like a jar?
Yeah.
With a pattern on it.
But I did think, you know what? Clear doesn't work. Clear doesn't work for me.
Doesn't sing to you.
No. So I got some of the Pinata inks and I really like that aqua colour. And I just put a little drop in and poured some clear over it. put a little bit more, poured a bit more clear. Just because I
Rinse and
thought,
repeat.
yeah, I thought it might just give it that little bit of interest, but still not take away. It's not like it's a solid colour that will take away from the whatever pattern is in there.
Yeah.
That was my thought process behind this. Is it a winner or is it a bin? Well, you'll have to just wait and see.
Oh yeah. Yes, you will.
Or skip to the end. I mean, those are your options, really.
Well, either or.
Yeah. So, and I quite like how that sort of was starting to look in the jar. So when it came to the pot, I thought, I'm going to do exactly the same. Now, because this has got berries on it and
They're
leaves,
grapes, aren't they? Is it grapes?
Well, I didn't know what they were.
No, it was quite difficult to see.
I thought, I'm just going to put some sort of deep blue and some green in, and we'll see how it comes out. I mean, I don't know where you'd have blue grapes if they are grapes, but
I don't know. Maybe you could grow some.
I'm sure that some geneticist somewhere has developed a blue grape.
Yeah.
So this is my. To be fair, I've been watching very unscientific-y things lately, so this is me going back to sci-fi in my life. So for the lid, I didn't quite make up enough, so I mixed up some more resin, and then I knew that this wasn't going to come out how I wanted it, but that's fine.
It's just sunflower, isn't it?
It looks to me like it's a sunflower, so I tried to do sort of the brown in the middle and then put the yellow around the outside. But of course, resin does what resin does, and it did all kind of mix into one.
Well, it would do because you hadn't let it cure.
Well, the fact that I actually stirred it. Look,
and
see?
you're stirring the hell of it there.
Yeah, because then I decided that I quite like that colour going with the base. So that's why.
Okay.
Anyway, I didn't, although it's on the G3, I didn't actually put these in the G3. I just let them sit on the side for 24 hours.
Yeah.
And this is the puppy.
No, is it a puppy?
It's a puppy.
I thought it was
Or it might be a bear.
I thought it was like a little teddy bear.
It's like a little puppy bear.
A puppy bear.
It's a puppy bear. It's really nice, though. I really like it. I think it's so cute. I'm going to do quite a few of those. I can see me doing quite a few of those because they are really cute.
To rival the turtles?
It's got potential.
Wow.
Oh, now there's an idea. That's a really good idea. I like that. Yes.
No.
There will be lots of those now. Lots of little puppies. So this one, it looks like I'm really struggling to get the mould off. I wasn't. I was just having a weak hand day. But look how pretty that came out.
I like that.
I was really chuffed with it.
I think that's really effective.
I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And I was thinking that, you could actually put a little bit of gilding wax on the outside of that just to give it a bit of...
Would that work in Aquacast?
Do you know that would work in Aquacast?
Because I think that would look really good.
I think it would be stunning in Aquacast. Maybe I'll do that. But
maybe you should.
Maybe I should. But I do like that little mould. I think it's really nice. And again, this one was really nice to demould, and it's got quite a nice pattern on the outside.
How would you be able to mica that?
You could go in and mica that, I think, but I think you could go in and mica it. Would I? I don't know, is my answer.
Okay.
If I'm honest. I'm not, I don't know. I'm more likely to paint it, to acrylic pen it over the top. Yeah. If I'm honest. But I really like that little pot. I thought it was really cute.
I think it looks cool. I don't know whether the colour combination goes.
Well, I think it does.
Okay.
So.
Well, you are the artiste. So.
Let us know in the comments if you agree with Kirk. Does the colour combination go, or did I do a complete faux pas and I should just chuck it in the bin. Never do those colours together again. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I am intrigued. And for little spoiler, anyone who's Team Kirk, you'll be on my list. Just so you know.
To be fair, if you're on a list, I wouldn't worry about it because we've had this conversation many times. The worst is food colouring. You're
at the very top of my list. All my lists, every single one I have, you're at the very top.
Oh, cool.
So with the little puppy bear, I just coloured in his face and his paws, and then it was off for the glamour shots. And
although you can't see him in the top left.
Yeah, you can't really see him because he was clear, which is why I very rarely do a straight clear piece. But I do think he was quite cute. I do like them. They are really nice little pieces.
I do another one in the next video.
Yes,
next
you
week.
do. Yeah, it's not as nice as mine though, to be fair.
No, it's not. Nowhere near.
And on that note, if you've enjoyed our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is about to suggest another video that you might enjoy just as much.
Or more.
Or more. That's not, yeah, or more. But either way, if you've liked this one, please could you help us out and hit the like button and possibly even the hype button if you're watching us on a teeny tiny little screen.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle?
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yep.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.